This is feedback for Sanaa on her bonus essay. Did a lot of great things on this essay, Sanaa. For example, I like your intro. I just give one suggestion: no body content in your intro. What do I mean by that? If your thesis here says that your essay is going to be about the causes of students dropping out, you should have no causes in your intro. If you want, you can put effects because your essay is about causes. So if you want to put effects in your intro, that's okay because the content of your essay is going to be about causes. But when you're saying that students leave for many reasons, according to research, every student is just because they need money. This is one of your points in your essay. So you don't want to put points that go in your essay in your intro. Okay. Um, you did also a great job of having great ideas and points in your essay. You said here, for example, they may face social problems, so they go to work and they can't study. Can't study. Make sure you pay attention to your sentences. Period. Furthermore, capital F. These students are very intelligent, or most of them, so our country can't have any advantages from them. Period. Right. So I think that was some advice that I gave. According to UNISEC, there are 3 out of 4. So you're using research here, which is good. But remember, on your in-class essay, you won't be able to look anything up, so you won't be able to write that. They dropped their study because of money. For example, students leave college because they need to feed them. So good ideas, good points. I want you to work on save advice for the conclusion. At the end of the year, finally, we should help poor families. This is advice. Remember, your concluding sentence for your body paragraphs should just be the reverse of the topic sentence, right? So you're just taking your topic sentence for this paragraph and just writing it backwards. Okay, just do that at the end. Also, I want you to use a more advanced conclusion in advice in the conclusion. So in your conclusion, you say, "I suggest to put an end to drop the students in college because it damages their future." This is not really, advanced. For example, you can say something like, I suggest that, students try to work part-time jobs in college so that they could get the experience of, or maybe students should, before they go to college, students should take a year off and work a full-time job, right? So this would make it so that they, maybe have a hard job and, they appreciate, oh, let me try to go to school and have a better job so I don't have to, and they'll be more motivated to get a better job and go to school and do well in school because they don't want to work that same job that they worked before during college. So something like that, where you give the advice and you show the result as well. But generally good. We have a couple more days, so if you want to make those revisions and write it again, feel free, and I'll try to look on it before we go. Good job.